Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest and most in-depth reviews from the world of cars. Today, we're diving into something quite special, a rebirth of an icon. This is the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Super Beetle, a name that carries legacy, nostalgia, and now, a bold vision of the future. As the Super Beetle rolls into frame, the first thing that strikes you is how effortlessly Volkswagen has blended classic design cues with modern aesthetics. It's not just a nod to the past, it's a full-blown tribute, redesigned for a new generation. The front fascia is unmistakably Beetle, but now it's sharper, more dynamic. The iconic rounded headlamps are still present, but they've been reimagined with sleek, adaptive LED matrix lights that wrap subtly into the fenders. The front grille is minimalistic, bearing a clean, illuminated VW badge, a feature that's becoming a signature in VW's new electric and hybrid lineup. Moving to the side profile, the Super Beetle showcases a more sculpted body than ever before. It's lower, slightly wider, and rides on beautifully machined 19-inch alloy wheels that hint at sportiness without screaming it. The character line that runs across the length of the car pays homage to the original curves, but it's been modernized with aerodynamic precision. The frameless doors, flush handles, and slightly sloped roofline make it feel more coupe-like than its predecessors, elegant yet unmistakably playful. As we reach the back, the transformation continues. The rear lights feature a full-width LED bar that lights up in an animated sequence when locking or unlocking the car. A small touch, but one that adds personality. The rear window is slightly more steeped, giving the car a more planted stance. The integrated spoiler and diffuser don't just look good, they're functional, improving the car's drag coefficient for better efficiency. There's no exhaust pipe to be seen, of course. This Super Beetle comes in both hybrid and full electric variants, marking a new era for the model. Now stepping inside, the cabin is a revelation. Volkswagen has clearly gone for a minimalist yet high-tech interior that doesn't forget the charm of the original. The dashboard design features a body-colored trim insert that brings a pop of color, a delightful callback to vintage Beetles. The central infotainment system is a 15-inch floating touchscreen, powered by VW's latest MIB4 software. It's responsive, intuitive, and packed with features, from real-time navigation to wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driver gets a fully digital cockpit with customizable displays that can show everything from speed and range to performance data and augmented reality navigation prompts. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, wrapped in a new eco-friendly vegan leather material with contrast stitching. Rear seat space is surprisingly generous thanks to the slightly extended wheelbase. Even the trunk offers more space than expected. Practicality hasn't been sacrificed for style. Performance-wise, the 2025 Super Beetle delivers more than just a smooth ride. It's genuinely engaging. The electric version comes with a dual-motor setup pushing out 295 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque. It goes from 0 to 60 in just under 5.8 seconds, which for a Beetle is impressive. The hybrid variant features a 1.4-liter turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor, offering a combined output of 218 horsepower and excellent fuel economy, around 50 miles per gallon in combined driving. The ride quality is refined, with adaptive suspension that adjusts based on driving mode. Whether you're in comfort for a leisurely city cruise or sport for more spirited backroad driving, the car adapts seamlessly. The steering is precise and body roll is well controlled, thanks to a lower center of gravity made possible by the battery placement. Noise insulation is top-notch. The cabin remains quiet even at highway speeds. Pricing starts at around $31,000 for the base hybrid model and goes up to $45,000 for the fully loaded electric variant with all-wheel drive and premium package. It's competitively positioned in a segment that's rapidly evolving, offering a unique mix of design, efficiency, and performance that sets it apart from the crowd. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Volkswagen Super Beetle is more than a retro revival. It's a well-thought-out reimagination of a beloved icon. Volkswagen has done a fantastic job of balancing heritage and innovation, making it appealing not just to longtime fans, but also to a new wave of drivers looking for something stylish, efficient, and fun. If you're in the market for a compact car with personality, technology, and solid performance credentials, the new Super Beetle should definitely be on your shortlist. It's charming, it's capable, and most importantly, it feels like a proper evolution of a classic that never really went out of style. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2025 Super Beetle, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews like this, and let us know in the comments what you think. Would you consider buying this new Beetle? Until next time, drive safe and take care.